Excuse me. Sorry to bother you. My name is Juben. So I take pictures of people I meet and post them on my social media. Just wondering if you can get a picture by any chance.
Yeah, sure.
Thank you. I'll show you what I do. Okay. So yeah. So that is my page.
Okay, yeah.
So I take pictures of people like that.
Yeah, sure.
Thank you. You can just sit like that. I'll take a photo like that. After that, we'll change this. Yeah.
Okay, yeah.
Cheers. I have to stand there for me if it's okay. Sorry to bother you. What's your name?
Louise.
Louise.
And you?
Jubin. Jubin.
Julian.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you as well.
There you go.
Oh, nice. These look really nice. Thank you.
Thank you so much for your time.
Thank you.
Nice meeting you.
Nice meeting you as well.
Cheers.
Can I get your contact?
Sure. So that you can type Instagram.
Yeah, sure. Thank you.
Cheers.
Okay, yeah, this one.
Cheers. I'll send you the pictures as soon as I can.
Okay, awesome.
Cheers.
Thank you. Have a good day.
You as well. Thank you so much for your time.